Good morning. Okay, we are together now after 1 week of work and also having some quite nice visit to the school, to some cultural things we saw. We did some sports and I think we had a quite nice week with various things. But yeah, one of the things are the mini projects. And we are curious what came out of that. So we will watch the presentations. And I want to give a welcome online. We are ready, Guido.
Okay, so hello everybody. Now you are going to see a short video of our team working. We are the team that was instructed to make a smart farm. As a part of the project, we had to create the smart farm from scratch, from the kit that we were given, and then program it using the instructions so that the farm can adapt to all the circumstances that the farm is in.
Our objective was to build a working farm that was able to save energy using renewable energy, preserve the water, and save the place for animals. From this project, we expected the smart farm to help in reducing the ecological footprint, reduction in food usage of fossil fuels, and automation. Methodology. For this project, we first read the instructions carefully. This was very important. We organized the work and we worked good together. The tools and the technologies we have used are C++ programming language, Arduino IDE for coding, and Key Studio, the Smart Farm IoT kit.
Development phases. So, for the plan, it was very important to research the sensors and see what each of them does, to see if they are working properly. The challenges that we faced were using different computers that we are used to, and with that also a different keyboard system. One of the problems was the time management and finding resources to help us with the project. The test was running the programs.
Okay, hello. So in the result, we have a smartphone that can react to them and adapt. So I'm going to explain the sensors very quickly. So we have here a steam sensor, we have air light sensor, DC motor fan, we have a button, we have motion sensor, we have servo, we have water pump in here. So in the result, we have a sustainable and renewable energy with smartphone IoT here.
Discussion. If there are different scenarios, the smart farm can react to them and adapt. For example, if the temperature is high, the motor starts working. There is little no limitation of the smart farm because it relies on self-sufficiency. Maybe the biggest problem will be the money it will take to build this.
we could, for example, install even more sensors to help its accuracy. We could also build a program to track the progress of the farm and see its overall productivity. So, in conclusion, in final, we were able to take this project to the end. The smart farm will able to be a great help to reduce usage of fossil fuels, of course, make farming more sustainable, and by using renewable energy, saving even more water and help its productivity.
So first, I would like to thank my teammates that actually we helped each other to bring this project to the end. And I would also like to thank my mentors and professors that were always there to help if we needed any help. Yeah. And now this is Kathy. And we took video to kind of show at least one of the sensors.
Ja, we moeten al jaren.
So this is the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening.
Welcome to our presentation. We are Group Solar Tracker, and to begin, let's show the video.
Ik ben Rafstede, ik join Nederland actually.
So what we did is we programmed the solar tracker on the Arduino board, and with the help of some libraries in the code and use of the wind sensor, the solar panel was able to move according to the position of the sun, so it follows like the natural path of the sun from east to west. We also installed an app so we can read some data of the solar panel. As you can read here on the left, you can see how much energy is produced during the day. So you can see at 8 o'clock the sun came up, so it started producing energy, and the sun went down around 1930. Also, you can see here is how much energy we created at that moment, with a total this month of 9.36 kilowatts per hour, and how much watt per hour it produced that day. What you could also see in the app is how much trees we planted, the equivalent of the solar panel, and how much kilogram CO2 we avoided from being produced. Now we will go to the connections.
We connect the Arduino to the wind sensor like this. A5 with SCL, A4 with CPA, ground to ground, and 5 volt to VCC.
Oui, c'est un Arduino IDE program with an Arduino board, which we connected to the motor control module. This module being connected to the generator to distribute power to the two outputs, allowing the solar power to allowing the solar panel to follow the position of the sun in order to better capture its energy.
Of the box with all the wires.
Okay, objectives and goals. The main goal is, of course, sustainability. In this project, we aiming to store energy using solar panels, so we can create more sustainable world. In this part, the solar panel is able to anchor itself according to the current sun position to maximize the light consumption. Development.
So, for
phases. On Monday, we divided the whole team into two groups. One group was connecting together the wires for the panel, and the other group was programming. Our biggest problems that we faced were, of course, the language barrier, all the way from communicating with each other back to the keyboard, because all of us each use a different keyboard. We tested the program first on the Arduino board without any connections, just to check for the syntax errors. Then we tested the whole program on the panel itself, and after fixing a few errors, we were able to get it working. And this is how the end result looked like. It's a video.
Discussion. Yeah. In this project, we use IoT, and we understand that IoT will be important in the future. And also, we learned that never give up, because some components in the project were not working, and we had to work on it for one day. And also, team working is very, very, very important for creating new things and creating new ideas. And the other thing is, we were very limited with time. Thank you.
Future direction. Adding light sensor to the edge to avoid cloud or street shade. Make it controllable on the phone app.
Those are some improvements we could make to make solar panel even more efficient.
In conclusion, we program the solar tracker to move according to the sun position and back into cloud position when the wind is too strong.
Acknowledgement and question I answered. We would like to sense the teacher will help us with the problem with control, and that gave us the correct problem in the end. And you have a question?
For the same.
So, we are the team Smart House, and we are going to present you our project. So, here's a video of our introduction. We are the team Smart Home, Damien, Dan, Nina, Francisco, Paul, and me. I'm Damien, right? So, introduction to the project. We made an automatic house using the KNX protocol with the aim of optimizing the energy usage and improving indoor comfort. The home automation system will have to manage lighting and roller shutters according to the weather outside and the needs of the future. And we can control the house using IoT, with IoT using our smartphones, which is configured with the Domovea server. We chose this project because it is useful and good for the environment. And interesting, of course, interesting project.
Objective and goals, specific aims, being about to aid an automatic house with the programming and controlling the house with IoT and manually. Expected outcomes, we expect that the house will be automatic in some specs and can be controlled with IoT and manually with buttons. Methodology approach describes the methods or techniques employed in this project. Tools and technology, KNX, Domovea, 2 PCs, a lot of cables, connector, screwdriver, electrical tape, multimeter, Wi-Fi plug, iMovie, and smartphones.
Project development phases. Planning. We assigned the roles according to everyone's skills. Implementation. Some things did not work, so we tested everything and harder to find the problem and fix it. Testing, analyzing. We double checked all the programmation. Electrical components here tested with multiple and the project has tested gradually. Results. Finds. The smart home is working perfectly with automated, with manual control and with EOT. Visual. Use graphs, charts.
No, there is no visuals.
Visual.
There will be video at the end. There's visuals.
Discussion. Implementation. Automations in the house and being able to control the house with the phone, it is really useful. For example, when you're away or you can do not on the light switch, you can just put the lights on. And we didn't find just really something that's limited. We did find some problems, but we fixed them. Future directions. Improvements. It would be better if there are more things that are automated and that can be controlled with IoT. Maybe like windows that can open. New applications. The automation system and IoT can be used in factories, cars, and other areas like that.
So a little summary, we connect the cables with everything and we programmed PNX and the server with Lumina. We tested everything, if everything works, and then we make the video and we make the presentations together. Takeaways are automation and IoT programming, cabling the smart house and communication and teamwork. So I would like to thank all the group members for doing their best and for our mentor for helping us.
And this is the video of our project. Hello everybody, we are the GivetSmart home.
Hello.
Today right now we are going to show you our finished project.
We are the team who built the smart greenhouse, and for the start we're gonna show you a short video. We're gonna present ourselves in it, and it's gonna show how the project went.
Yeah, we did a smart greenhouse, and these are our names. When we started the project, we didn't really know what to do with it. We just got a box with loads of sensors, they're listed here, and we needed to figure out what to do with those. So we looked like what was in the greenhouse. We had a few places where we could put the sensors, and we had a few valves and motors. So we put those into place and started working on the programming and things and the wiring.
Object and goals. The project object and the quest to create a fully automatic greenhouse. The goal was learning new things like swimming, programming, and working as a team.
So methodology, we use different methods like diagnostic shim for wiring and multi-site box for programming, and of course we use different, let's say, special tools like cable stripper, gateway, multi-site sensors, switches for ventilation and irrigation, pump and solenoid valve.
The results of our project. We ended the project by finishing everything, planting the crops, and the result is that if some scenario happens, like the temperatures go above a specific value, so it's too hot or something, a window opens, maybe the door opens. And we added a light sensor ourselves, so if not enough light, the door opens, the window opens to let light in, so we create the ideal environment for crops to grow. That was the end or the result of our project.
Discussion. There were also some limitations about the language and with people with the different skill sets, and there are some communication problems, there are some problems with the valve, and we redesigned the wiring and all that and make it work.
In the future. So
So it lowers the cost and usage of energy by using renewable energy like sun rays. By using better AI, it could lower the percentage of pollution by a mile. And we cannot forget about the reduced space usage we could get out of it.
We see the cost from the environment, efficient user, reduced price to the user, less than user, lower carbon footprint.
So conclusion where we created a great we created an automated greenhouse. We learned different skills, programming and wiring, how to use different software, and learned how to work as a team with the different peoples, different cultures. So that's all.
So I would like to thank my team, professors, our mentor. We helped each other a lot. We learned new things, and even though we had a few problems, at the end we solved it. And thank you for your attention.
With a lot of sensors with an IoT kit, we have SP32, and it's here values, and I can control this like this and this. For example, when I press that button, it's open. When I press again, it's frozen. When I press fan button, it's working like this. When I press again, it's and buzzer is giving a sound to us. And as you can see, we have values in here: temperature, humidity, soil moisture, water level, light level. As you can see, I'm doing it lower. And when I pull my finger, it's going to be increasing. And we have steam sensor. And as you can see, we have motion sensor in here. When it's motion, it says motion, and when it's not motion, it says no motion. And we have button in here. I'm clicking, release, clicking, press. And we have another thing that we have an options thing. We have some options in here. For example, water level alert. If the buzzer sounds when water level exceeds 8%, and we have motion alert. Buzzer sounds when motion is detected. We have some steam alert. Buzzer sounds when steam is detected. We have auto mode. If the temperature goes up to 30 degrees, the fan is going to open. And we have night mode. If there is dark, LED activates, and we have temperature display. For example, when we click the temperature display, as you can see, we have the temperature in here, we have the humidity in here, we have the steam in here, and we have the light in here. So that's something.
Talking or greenhouse, and with the mile-side software in the cloud, we can switch things on or off, or when a scenario happens. We create a trigger so that if temperature goes above something, CO2 goes above something or below something, something happens, like a window opens, the fan goes on, or the watering system goes on. So a button on the software here, or the scenario happens, and the window closes.
And these are the sensors?
Yeah, that's the solar panel sensor, that's the CO2 sensor, and that's the soil sensor. We can also turn on the watering system, so let's do that. Switching on now, that takes a while.
When it switches, this valve opens. Let's the water.
The water goes flowing through and everything starts. We can also show you that the fan works. So if you press this switch, the fan goes on and the window opens. The fan starts spinning and the window opens.
And here's the electrical box.
Because the solar panel needs to, how can I explain it? Needs to see the sun for moving, and that's all. And right now you can see some.
Yeah, you can see that the teacher is moving the wind sensor on the computer.
The computer language is French, so we have to look in French. Would you like to show the app?
If anyone wants to look, this is the same app that was shown in the presentation.
Teacher, be careful if it's more.
You can see here with the energy we produced and the energy we produced this week, of this month, today, the amount of trees we made.
Any question?
And here you can see when it started producing energy today. Today it was at 6 o'clock, it began really slowly, and at 9:30 the sun came in and it
Why it is turning now? Why?
Because
What happened?
the libraries, we uploaded the program and it needed a while for all the libraries to load because it uses like 5 or 6 different libraries. Each library is for its own purpose. One of the main purpose, one library, for example, is for the sun position. So before that library loaded, it didn't know where the sun is.
Yeah.
Now that it loaded, it knows where the sun is and it moved according to the sun.
We have 3 rooms in here and we are going to show you while it's working. So these are the buttons. We can control the light with the buttons and with the phone. It took a few seconds. So let me show you the app. This is the app for the controlling with IoT. I'm connecting to the house. We can see the house in here, the all rooms, bedroom, garage, living room. So I want to close or open the lights. So let's close. I'm closing and it opens. Wait, yeah, it's open. So in the other rooms, we can control the shutters. This is the bedroom shutter. Right now I'm closing it. I stopped it. I'm opening it. One light bedroom, yeah. And the other room is the living room. We have also this and the shutter. Let me open it. And we have the dimmers. And we can adjust their brightness like this, more brighter, and I can close it, open it, close. Let me show you the outdoor. So I need one person to push this. I'm short. Yeah, you can. Yes? Yeah. And we can see it's showing the wind speed. And this is the temperature, this is the daylight. It's 22 right now. Okay. So that's all. Thank you.
Bye bye. Yes, please.
with everybody. I would like to say some words because it's the end of a special week for us. A wonderful week, I think. I hope you have a very good time. You increase your competence and you share and you discover Normandy with pleasure. Okay. I would like to thank two special persons in my school, Arnaud and Baptiste, because they spend a long time to prepare these workshops. And I would like to thank them specially, and we can say bravo. And I would like to thank also the coordinator team, yes, my friend from Slovenia, my friend from Turkey, Hakan, Angela from Portugal, René from Netherlands, and Monica from Spain. And also Orlando is connected from Gran Canaria, and Guido, and Claudia also. Okay, thank you so much. And we would like to finish by a certificate ceremony, okay? And we call all the team one by one. We begin by Slovenia. For example, Slovenia team. Yeah. Thank you. Bravo. Yes. Yeah, thank you. Sebastian. Pela. Pela Seme. Nina? No, I did a mistake. Thank you so much. Dan? Thank you so much. Arnaud, comment on éteint l'écran?
Little small world. Thank you so much for everything that you organized with your team for us. I can't go around the fact that I'm going to mention two persons because I saw them run from the one side to the other side, Baptiste and Arno, with the projects. On behalf of the students, they enjoyed your help. So very much thanks for this week. And yeah, as last, you're all invited to come to the Netherlands for the last LTTA, and hope to see you there.
Okay, thank you so much. Portugal. Portugal, we have Angela, Jose, Gonzalo, Francesco, and Leonardo.
I want to thank for the opportunity of being part of this group, and I hope to see you soon in Netherlands.
We hope so.
Thank you very much for all. We enjoy very much all the LTTA, and we make friends. I think that is the more important thing, of course.
Thank you.
Because we could do another project together, so friendship is a very important thing. Thank you for. Okay, thank you.
French team, please. We have Arnaud. Please, you can applaud Arnaud. Baptiste. Paul. Luan. Raphaël. And Maxence. Maxence. I would like to thank all the French team because they work hard for this week and these workshops. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Spanish team, Monica, David, Cristobal, Andy, Juan, and Daniel. Thank you so much.
For the French team, it has been a pleasure to be here. Thank you for the French organization, for the hospitality, and of course for the work we've done and the activities that you prepare for everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I will say thank you in French. On vous remercie franchement. Vous avez fait un travail extraordinaire. Et je vous félicite. Les élèves et les profs, on est super contents d'être là. Un peu triste de partir, mais merci beaucoup.
Oh là là, David, oh là là.
Thank you so much.
No.
And last but not least, Turkish team, please. The king.
The king, yeah.
Akan Baba.
Akan Baba.
Akan Baba.
An amazing week for here. I'm first time in France, and it was very good. Thank you for organization, Jason, and the teachers. It was a very good organization. Also, I like the mini projects. It was good and very good prepared. Thank you for all us. Thank you for your hospitality. Teşekkürler.
Okay, this is the last minute. We will miss you so much. In the beginning, I had only some friends here, but now I have many friends here. Thank you very much. We suppose in the beginning, I visited maybe 5 or 6 times Paris. In the past, I suppose Paris means France, France means Paris. But now I understand there's another nice city here, and we saw very historical, nice place. And I am very proud of you, guys, because you did really great job. IoT is not easy thing. IoT is really hard for an engineer, but you are a student, you are young persons, but you did great for minor projects. Thank you very much for everything. See you in the Netherlands.
For everything, thank you.
He wants to cry now.
My students in car, how say for Jason?
I love you, Jason.
I love you, Jason. I love you, Jason. I love you, Jason. I love you, Jason. I love you, Jason. Thank you,
And also we love all of you.
And we don't want Guido, Orlando, and Claudia be jealous not to be here, so we have some present for you, some souvenir. Okay.
We're going to close out this meeting. Okay, we're going to close off this meeting. Yeah, we loved it here. We are going to close up with a lunch. But before we are ready to leave, I have to ask you one more time to do something for the project, and that is to fill in the surveys. We sent the link yesterday, I think we did that already, and some of you did it already, but we want to collect data. We want to know what you learned, what you did, and what we can do to improve. And so please, before you leave, fill in the survey. Because we forget it when we are traveling and come to home, and we forget it and we don't have the data. It's important for us. And the last word that I want to say is to the representatives of the agency. Thank you for joining us and looking in what we did. We love to present it to you. I hope you enjoyed it. And thank you. And we're moving on, and we'll try to improve and make the last LTTA a nice closure of this project. And yeah, maybe we can do in the future also. I think we have great partners here. So I think the contacts are, that's what Angela already said. The contacts are laid, so I think we can make some new projects and add something we learned here into new things. Okay, thank you all.
For the progress, and good luck to you all. It was really nice to see what you've been doing in the past week all together, students, and it's also very promising, looks promising for the finalization of the project. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Guido,
I guess I will also say something.
Okay, you can.
Thank you so much for hosting us. It was really nice to see what you've been working on. I want to say, congratulations for finishing this LTTA. Really impressive work, and we look forward to see how you wrap up the project, and for us reading your final report.
Thank you so much. And Guido, do you want to close?
Yeah, I want to thank you all. What I saw from WhatsApp, from YouTube, you shared a lot of information the last days by social media also. The great work you have done, the preparation, Jason, we had a lot of talks about it, but products, the results of the LTTA. So I'm very proud of this team. It's the French team, but also all the partners, the students who made this happen. And it's a great team to work with. And I hope to see you next time in the Netherlands, the 22nd of September. You are invited to come to Echt, to Midden-Limburg, and we will do a final LTTA with a lot of nice workshops and cultural activities. And I also invite the National Agency to be part one day, if they want to come to the south of the Netherlands, to join our LTTA.
Hope to see you. Have a good day. Bye.
Goodbye. Bye.
I hope everything was perfect for you. You have a good time and amazing souvenir, and hope to see you in Netherlands. Bye.
Time to say goodbye.